All right, let's talk about the Canon RF 100mm f2.8 macro lens, one of the sharpest, most versatile medium teleprime lenses you can add to your RF kit. If you shoot portraits, products, food, or details, this lens might just become your go-to. At 100 millimeters, you get flattering compression for portraits, soft backgrounds, beautiful subject separation, and that it pops out look. The f2.8 aperture gives you plenty of depth of field control and makes it easier to shoot handheld in lower light. But the real magic here is the macro capability. This lens gets super close. You can shoot detailed close-ups of flowers, food, textures, eyes, basically anything where detail matters. Grab and fill the frame with your subject. It's like having a prime and a macro lens in one. Add to that image stabilization and Canon's fast, accurate USM autofocus, and you've got a lens that's comfortable for handheld shooting, product videos, portraits, and macro work alike. It's sharp, versatile, and doesn't overstay its welcome in size or weight. Who should buy it? Portrait photographers, food product shooters, macro lovers, content creators, basically anyone who values detail, sharpness, and flexibility from their lens. Why buy it? Because it gives you pro-level sharpness, great bokeh, real macro flexibility, and a strong all-around medium telephoto prime, all in one lens. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.